type of salt is a salt of a weak acid versus strong base. Salts of a weak acid versus strong base. This salts of a weak acid versus a strong base. I am taking the one example, that is CH3 COONA is a 1, sodium acetate, or you can take even sodium carbonate Na2CO3 is another one, or you can take casein is another example. This is formed from the weak acid and strong base NaOH, acetic acid and NaOH, Na2CO3 again from the sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid H2CO3, and this is from the HCN and KOH. I am taking that some general form of the salt of weak acid versus strong base, that is Ba is salt of a weak acid. Consider that there is a Ba is a salt of weak acid versus strong base, and it will be mixed with water, and it forms it mixed with water, then it forms, there is an HA weak acid, and there is an BOH is which is a strong base, right? This kind of solutions all are comes under the weak acid and strong base. That means we can tell that these all are having the basic in nature, so that its pH is greater than the 7, right? And consider that Ba is one kind of a salt which is formed by the combination of weak acid and strong base, and it is mixed with water, so that it forms again weak acid and strong base. This is a salt hydrolysis. From this I can write hydrolysis constant KH is equals to product of concentration of HA into, it is a concentration of BOH divided by, this is a concentration of salt Ba, right? So let us take this is equation 1, and other one is this HA is a weak acid, no, and this is a strong base. So this complete ionization takes place. This is a weak acid, HA weak acid again, and it will be form ionic equilibrium H plus plus where it is an A minus. From this I can write there is a dissociation constant Ka is equals to here H plus concentration into A minus ion concentration divided by where it is an HA concentration. Let us take this is equation 2. Okay, so this is simply a dissociation constant of a weak acid, and we know that even pure water also a bad conductor of heat and electricity, and it will be attaining the ionic equilibrium like this here H plus plus where it is now OH minus. So from this I can write there is a Kw is equals to ionic product of water, concentration of H plus into concentration of this is a O minus. Multiply there is an equation 1 and 2. When we are multiplying both equation 1 and 2, so what you will get, this is a common term, so all will get cancelled here, and I can write this is in a KH into this is in a K A is equals to, so left side KH into Ka is equals to, will get that only H plus ion concentration into here OH minus ion concentration will be left. This is nothing but simply a ionic product of water. I can write here KH into this is Ka is equals to this is Kw. Okay, so from this I can write there is a hydrolysis constant KH is equals to this is a Kw divided by here it is in a Ka. So this is a hydrolysis constant. This one also we can write. Even this is also whenever they have given the ionic product of water and it's a dissociation constant of weak acid is given, we will write A minus, which is undergo the hydrolysis H2O, and it forms this is in a HEA plus here OH minus ion concentration, right? So in the resulting solution and more number of OH minus ions are there, so that overall it is a basic in nature, and its pH value is greater than the 7. Here I am taking the its initial concentration is C, and this one is a 0 and 0. This is CH and this is a CH. This is at initial at equilibrium, and we can write this is a C into 1 minus H, right? So for finding its a pH value, and definitely here OH minus ion concentration is there. From that we will find the pOH first, and then from that we will find out the its a pH. Here it's a hydrolysis constant KH, and we'll write this is a concentration of HEA into this is a concentration of OH minus into product of these two divided by, and here A minus ion concentration. Okay, so I can write this is a CH into this is a CH divided by C into 1 minus H. So CC will get cancelled here, and here I can write here KH is equals to, so CH square divided by 1 minus H. H is that is the degree of hydrolysis. Its value is small, so that it can be neglected. I will get that there is a KH is equals to, this is a CH square is a simple expression, and 1 minus H value in the denominator is neglected, so that you will get a KH is equals to simply a CH square. We can make the subject of the formula. We'll write so this H square means KH by C. H is nothing but square root of KH divided by C. So this is simply a degree of hydrolysis. H is equals to square root of KH by C, right? So you can use this formula to find out its degree of hydrolysis, right? So this is a 1 to find out its a degree of hydrolysis. And already we know that KH is nothing but this is KW divided by and KA. In the previous case already we have seen this is and KH value you can substitute in the above expression. We will get this is this is a KW by KA into this is a concentration is C. This is also another formula to find out its degree of hydrolysis H, right? So why? Because whenever the KW and Ka is given, you can use this formula to find out its a degree of hydrolysis. To find out the pH of this kind of salts of weak acid and strong base, and resulting solution is basic in nature, and OH minus ion concentration is left, so that you can find first pOH. OH minus ion concentration is equals to CH, and C into H value you can write on the here square root of this is KH by C. Okay, so whenever I am taking this C inside, we'll get that this is in KH into C you will get. Okay, so here this KH value you can substitute particularly KW by KA also, so that I can write this is a KW by here it is a KA into this is a C. Here I can write this is a OH minus ion concentration is equals to, this is a formula to find out its ion concentration. Here pOH is equals to, this is a minus log of here OH minus ion concentration. You can substitute this one minus log of this is a square root of square root. I am writing this is a KW divided by it is a Ka into C. So whole power 1 by 2 I am writing. Okay, so this is simply pOH is equals to, and this 1 by 2 I am taking front, so that I can write here minus log of KW, and this is a minus of minus log Ka. This is a minus log C. This is the formula, and you can simplify this one also. 1 by 2 into this is a minus log KW is nothing but simply a pK W minus this is a pKa minus log Ka is nothing but pKa. This is a log C is a simple one. Okay, so as all we know that at 25 degrees centigrade and pKw is equals to, that is equals to 14 is there. If you will substitute in the above expression and you will get that this is in POH is equals to 1 by 2 of pKw minus pKa minus log C. At 25 degrees centigrade, pKw is equals to 14. So that you will substitute here, then it will become half 7 minus 1 by 2 of pKa plus log C. This is the final equation to find out its a POH. From this we can find its a pH also. pH is equals to 14 minus POH, and here I will write this is enough 14 minus 7. So minus of minus, it will become as a 1 by 2 into, where it is in pK A plus log C is a formula, and I can write even the final simplified formula, and this is 7 plus 1 by 2 into, where it is in pKa plus log C, right? So this is a formula that can be used to find out its pH value.